Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is
Mail-Nimo dual outlook Tahan lively for the data set 1 3 4 6 6 7 8 9 11 11 13 14 14 15 16 16 18 18 20 20 22 22 25 25 25 25 26 26 27 28 30 32 33 34 34 36 38 38 40 43 45 46 46 47 48 52 52 53 53 53 55 56 57 57 58 Send data to Excel part 1 of 4. A. Find the 75 percentile. The 75 percentile is 15. Part 2 of 4. The answer of the question is to find the 75 percentile or the third quartile. Question 3. For the given data set, follow these steps. 1. Arrange the data. First, ensure the data is ascending order from the data provided. 1 3 4 6 6 7 8 9 11 11 13 14 14 15 16 17 18 18 20 20 22 22 25 25 25 25 26 26 27 28 30 32 33 34 34 36 38 38 40 43 45 45 46 47 48 52 53 53 53 55 56 57 57 58. 2. Find the position of the 75th percentile. Use the formula to find the position of 75th percentile in the ordered data. Pause to the video and go to the calculation. Answer. The 75th percentile of the data is set is 45.5. So that's the correct answer to the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I'll be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next session, bye bye.